Can't keep my hands to myself. Hands to myself. Can't say oops, I got now problem singing ba ba ba.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess and thank you for watching today's video. And today's video I'm going to do a full face using Shopmissa. So first we're going to use this palette. This is the Wildflower eyeshadow palette and this is $10. And this is how it looks like. It has a mirror right there, as you can see. I'm going to use this Wonder Cover HD concealer in natural shade. I'm going to put this in my eyelids. Now I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use the brushes as well from A2O Studio. And yeah, A2O Studio. I'm going to use this brush in E28. So I'm going to use this. This is Buff. I'm going to use this to set the concealer on my eye. Next, I'm going to use this one here. This is the Dust. I'm just gonna put it right here. Here it is, my transition shade, by the way. I'm going to use this brush. This is E132. I'm going to use this one. This is Empower. I'm going to put this on the edge of my eyelids, like right here, like outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to use this brush E130 and I'm going to blend these two colors. And I'm going to deepen the Empower on the edge, like right here. Next, I'm going to use this brush in E131 and I'm going to use this one, Gala, in the inner corner of my eye. You know what? I'm going to use this first. This is Mossy in the inner corner, and then I'm going to top this Gala because it doesn't show right now. So you guys can see it now. Clean the edges right here. And I'm going to deepen the outer corner of our eye using the Dust. Using the Empowerment or Empower to combine together these two colors. Blend these two. And now I'm going to top this off on the top of Mossy. So I'm going to go back to Empowerment just to deepen in the outer area right here. And I'm going back to Gala because I wanted more sparkling in there. Let's go back to Empower and blend these two together. Right here in the middle, right here. I like this one. And I'll be right back. I'm going to do the other side of the eye. So I'm back, guys. I'm done with the other eye, but I'm not done as in done. I'm going back to finish my eye look later, but for now I'm going to clean it up. Now let's go do the brows. I have this A2O Studio Sculpting Brown Pencil in the shade Dark Brown, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's dark brown. And it has a spoolie on the other side of it. Now let's go to the face. I'm going to use this Wonder Skin Poreless Primer. And hopefully it's nice. As you guys can see, it's dripping. I don't know if it's going to help me with my pores. We have the BB cream here in the shade medium. It says here, perfect BB cream. It will give my face luminous glow to eliminate dull skin for a brighter appearance. I'm going to shake it first. This is how it looks like, guys. Right here, I'm going to dot it right here. I'm going to use this one. Now I'm going to use this concealer under my eye. I'm going to use this other end. And then I'm going to conceal my acne scars. Like one over here, right there, there's a new pimple over there. And then right here and right there. Maybe right there. I'm going to set my face into this setting powder. This is matte translucent. And then I'm going to use this brush right here. This is A2O Studio high definition brush in F8. And then I'm going to use this one. I'm just gonna put it right here. And then let's try if I can bake under eye. I like doing baking under eye now. I don't know why. Because I think it's brighten my under eye. I love this sponge so much. It works so good. So while we're waiting for the baking to set up, I'm going to use this A2O Studio Brow Gel, Fiber Gel, and in the shade of dark brown. So You guys seen this one from my previous videos, and I must say it is very pigmented. And now we're going to sweep this off the baking, hopefully. And now we're going to the contour, and this is the contour stick Sculpt FX in the shade in the shade of clay. Here it is. We have this blush from A2O Lab in Aurora, and I'm going to swatch it here next to clay there. So I'm going to use this one. Let's go use this brush. This is the F7. You guys can see. Stamp it a little bit. That's a lot. And now let's go for this one. This is like kind of pinkish color. I'm going to swatch this one at the end of the video. So if you guys wanted to see those swatches, some of the swatches, then watch until the end of this video. It really doesn't show up, but it reflects a little bit. I was like using this one. This is Soul for my inner corner to highlight it. And we're gonna use this Scarlet in AOA Studio eyelashes, and I forgot that it doesn't have the glue itself in here, so I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back with some lashes. These are the Scarlet, as you guys can see, and now we're going to use this Skinny mascara. This is under lash mascara in the shade of black, and this is the one. This is good for under lashes, like right here. Okay, so I'm thinking about to try this one instead of the pink one. This is like kind of white color for highlighter.